Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change country and address on Shopee. Let's get started. Shopee apps are region specific. That means if you're in Malaysia, you'll use Shopee MI. If you're in the Philippines, you'll use Shopee PH. Your current country is set based on your app store region. To download Shopee for a different country, you'll need to change your Google Play country. First, open the Google Play Store, then tap your profile icon in the top right. Then, go to Settings, then General, then Account and Device Preferences. Tap on Country and Profiles, then select the new country. Add payment method for that country. It may take up to 48 hours for the new country profile to activate. You can only change your country once per year and must be physically located in the new country. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.